Hello and welcome to another video with me, Christian Rauchenwald. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change the favicon of your funnels within ClickFunnels. Now, for those of you who don't know what the favicon is, first of all, I wonder how you found this video, but I'm going to show it to you real quick. When you have a website or a funnel, the page will have a so-called favicon in the top left corner, which is used as the icon shown on the browser's tab and by default will show the ClickFunnels logo. Now, in order to change that, first of all, you need a graphic and it should be 32 times 32 pixels or 16 times 16 pixels, although the higher resolution, so 32 pixels square, makes more sense. If your graphic is bigger or smaller than that, it will not work. It may not show your favicon at all. Now, in order to get started, if you don't have the image in the right dimensions yet, simply head to Google and search for online image resize. Now, you should already find a bunch of results. It doesn't really matter which service you use. Just pick one of the results and check the user interface. If you easily understand what they're trying to tell you here, then use it. Otherwise, just go back and pick the next search result. This one here seems quite easy. So what we're going to do, we're going to upload a graphic. I'm just going to pick one of my YouTube video thumbnails here, but obviously you should pick the picture that you want to use as your thumbnail. And you click, in this case, on continue to edit picture. And here, in this case, we would say custom size and we would say 32 times 32 pixels. Now, we don't want to apply an effect. And when it comes to the file type, you want to make sure that you save it as PNG. So if your icon contains transparency, that transparency is also reflected then in the favicon. If you would save it as a JPEG, for example, your transparent background may either be saved as black or as white, and that is what you want to avoid. So I'm going to click I'm done, resize my picture here, and I'm going to click on Save to Disk to download it to my computer. Now, once that's done, you need to upload that picture somewhere. The easiest way to do is to go to your ClickFunnels account, there go to Account Settings, and head to Digital Assets. Now, once there, click on New Asset, pick your file, give it a name like favicon, demo in my case, and click on Add. You don't need the other fields because you don't want to email that favicon to anyone. Now, as you can see, your favicon will show up here as a digital asset, and you can simply click on the three dots and click on Copy Asset Path. Now, once that's done, head to your funnels and pick the funnel where you want to add that favicon. I'm going to pick our development funnel here for this demo and go to the settings of that specific funnel. Now, here you'll find a field for the favicon URL. And I already have one in there, but I'm just going to replace it with our new digital asset URL and scroll all the way down and click Save. Now, once I open any of the funnel steps, you can see that it updated to the new favicon. Be aware it may take a couple of minutes and according to ClickFunnels support, even up to 24 hours. However, in my experience, the favicon updates within only a few minutes. If you run into any issues whatsoever, simply leave a comment down below or reach out to ClickFunnels customer service, who is more than happy to help you with issues like that. Now, if you want to add the same favicon to all of your funnels, you will have to go to each of your funnel settings and add the same digital asset URL there as well. Now, an alternative way to upload your image would be to go to any of your funnel steps, click on Edit Page, add a new image element, click on the image element and click on the icon here to open the image library and simply upload your favicon here. And once it's fully uploaded, right click on it and click Copy Image Address. Once you've done that, you do the same. You go to funnel settings and you add it as your favicon URL. It doesn't really matter how you do it. I personally prefer to have the favicons in the digital assets because I use them so rarely and they're not used within the funnel itself. But again, if it's easier for you for some reason, then just do it like this and upload the favicon to the ClickFunnels image library and add it to your funnel from there. That's it. That's how easy you can change or update the favicon of your funnels hosted at ClickFunnels by simply uploading the image of your favicon to your digital assets or your image library and adding the image URL as the favicon URL within your funnel settings. Now, I said, if you have any questions whatsoever, leave a comment down below. And if this video helped you in any way, make sure to give it a thumbs up so other users know as well that this video shows them the easiest way to change their favicon. And if you want to see more of our ClickFunnels tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon so you actually receive notifications whenever we publish a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in one of our other videos. Till then, bye-bye.